Pero, yung board natin, yung motherboard natin, may built-in din siya. Okay? So meaning, pag nasira yung card na yan, pwedeng gamitin yung built-in. Okay? And of course, you have here, yung nasa baba niya, it's what we call your TV tuner. Okay, ang TV tuner, you can, with, shall we say, may TV tuner ka, pwede mong kabitan ng cable yan. Or at the same time, antenna. Para makapanood ka. You know? And at the same time, pwede mo actually i-record or i-capture yung pinapanood mo. Parang gano'n. Yun yung mga pwede mong mga gawin sa TV tuners. And of course, below it, may maliit na card doon. That's what you call your Ethernet card. Okay? But, to be specific, it's your wireless Ethernet card. Okay? Main reason kung bakit wireless, kasi yung setup nung dito, hindi siya wired na connection. Yung local area network nyo, it's wide. When we talk, or shall we say, it's wireless.